Hey there friends, my name is Cherry. The information on this YouTube channel and the resources available are for educational and informational purposes only. Today we are going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Have you ever seen somebody showered with money, without a partner? Welcome to this expose on how to unlock the secrets of making money on YouTube. This is going to be a straight-to-the-point introduction to information that shows you exactly what to do to make money on YouTube without making videos. It can be a side hustle. Well, running YouTube channels where you don't ever have to show your face checks all of the boxes for being the best business model out there. First of all, you can run your YouTube channels from anywhere. Your age doesn't matter. Your looks do not matter. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Mott's free training. YouTube has revolutionized the way content is consumed, with billions of users watching videos on a daily basis. For beginners, understanding the basics of how YouTube works is crucial to succeeding in the competitive landscape of online content creation. Whether it's through ad revenue, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or selling merchandise, there are countless ways to make money on YouTube. Setting up your YouTube channel. So, you've decided to take the plunge into the world of YouTube and start monetizing your content. The first step in this exciting journey is setting up your YouTube channel to attract viewers and potential sponsors. Let's dive into the essential steps to create and optimize your channel for monetization. 1. Choose a catchy channel name that reflects your content niche. 2. Upload a high-quality channel banner and profile picture. Use high-resolution images that showcase your personality or the theme of your content to entice viewers to explore your channel further. 3. Write a compelling channel description with relevant keywords. Incorporate relevant keywords related to your niche to improve your channel's visibility in search results. By following these steps and creating a visually appealing and informative YouTube channel, you'll be well on your way to attracting a loyal audience and monetizing your content effectively. Stay tuned for more tips on how to grow your channel and maximize your earning potential on YouTube. Producing high-quality, engaging videos is key to growing your audience and maximizing your earning potential on YouTube. Here are some essential guidelines to help you create compelling content that resonates with your viewers. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube Analytics, and keyword research tools to identify popular search terms and topics that are relevant to your audience. By creating content around trending topics, you can increase your chances of reaching a wider audience and attracting more views. 2. Plan your video content to be informative, entertaining, or both. Whether you're creating tutorials, vlogs, product reviews, or comedy sketches, it's important to plan your video content to be both informative and entertaining. 3. Use high-quality video and audio equipment for better production value. By following these guidelines and focusing on creating engaging, high-quality content, you'll be well on your way to building a loyal audience and growing your YouTube channel. Monetizing your videos. Congratulations on creating engaging content and building a loyal audience on your YouTube channel. From ad revenue to affiliate marketing and merchandise sales, there are various strategies you can implement to maximize your earning potential on YouTube. Let's dive into some key guidelines for monetizing your channel effectively. 1. Enable monetization through Google AdSense to earn money from ads. One of the most common ways to monetize your YouTube channel is through Google AdSense. By enabling monetization, you can earn money from ads that are displayed on your videos. 2. Utilize affiliate marketing by promoting products or services in your videos. Another lucrative way to monetize your YouTube channel is through affiliate marketing. 3. Consider creating and selling merchandise related to your channel. By implementing these monetization strategies and diversifying your income streams, you can unlock the full earning potential of your YouTube channel. Building your audience. Building a strong subscriber base and increasing viewership is essential for the success of your YouTube channel. By engaging with your audience, promoting your videos on social media, and collaborating with other creators, you can attract new viewers, retain existing subscribers, and grow your channel exponentially. Let's explore some key guidelines to help you build your audience and boost your channel's visibility. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Mott's free training. One. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. 2. Promote your videos on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Expand your reach beyond YouTube by promoting your videos on social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. Share teasers, behind-the-scenes footage, and highlights from your videos to pique the interest of your followers and drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Utilize hashtags, tags, and engaging captions to increase visibility and attract new viewers who may not have discovered your channel otherwise. We're pleased to have you along. By following these guidelines and actively engaging with your audience, promoting your content on social media, and collaborating with other creators, you can build a strong and dedicated audience for your YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more tips on how to optimize your channel for growth and success. To ensure the continued growth and success of your YouTube channel, it's crucial to regularly analyze your performance metrics and make necessary adjustments to your content and strategies. By tracking key metrics, experimenting with different video formats, and staying informed about algorithm changes, you can optimize your channel for maximum engagement and viewership.
1. Use YouTube Analytics to monitor video metrics like watch time and audience retention. YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool that provides valuable insights into how your videos are performing and how viewers are engaging with your content. Monitor metrics such as watch time, audience retention, click-through rate, and subscriber growth to identify trends and patterns in your channel's performance. By understanding which videos are resonating with your audience and which ones are falling short, you can make informed decisions to improve your content and increase viewer engagement. 2. Experiment with different video formats and content styles to see what resonates with your audience. Don't be afraid to try new things and experiment with different video formats, content styles, and topics to keep your audience engaged and interested. Pay attention to viewer feedback, comments, and engagement metrics to gauge audience preferences and tailor your content to meet their expectations. 3. Stay updated with YouTube algorithm changes and adapt your strategies accordingly. Keep abreast of algorithm updates, trends, and best practices by following YouTube's Creator Insider channel, attending webinars, and joining creator communities. Adapt your content strategy, SEO tactics, and promotional efforts to align with algorithm changes and ensure your videos are being surfaced to the right audience. We appreciate that you are watching our video. By following these guidelines and regularly analyzing your channel's performance, experimenting with new content ideas, and staying informed about algorithm changes, you can fine-tune your strategies and optimize your YouTube channel for long-term success. Stay tuned for more tips on how to grow your channel and maximize your impact on YouTube. By creating engaging content, building a loyal audience, exploring monetization methods, and encouraging viewer engagement, you can set yourself up for success in the competitive landscape of online content creation. First and foremost, creating engaging content and building a loyal audience are the cornerstones of a successful YouTube channel. We are nearly there. By producing high-quality videos, engaging with your viewers, and fostering a sense of community, you can attract and retain a dedicated fan base that will support your channel's growth and success. Next, we explored various monetization methods available on YouTube for beginners to explore, including Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. By diversifying your income streams and leveraging these monetization strategies, you can turn your passion for creating videos into a profitable business and maximize your earning potential on the platform. Lastly, I encourage you to take action and support the growth of your favorite YouTube channels by subscribing, liking, and sharing their videos. Remember, With dedication, creativity, and strategic planning, you have the power to turn your YouTube channel into a thriving business and achieve your goals as a content creator. Keep creating, keep growing, and keep chasing your dreams on YouTube. Have you ever seen somebody who has money, without a partner? Matt Parr went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, to now making $30,000 plus a month with YouTube by the time he was 22. Matt wants to show you how to do the same. As at 2024, Matt is about 23 years old, coping with a beautiful girlfriend. You could do the same.